complete mess which I have to clean, so just ignore that part. Anyhow, so I hope you enjoy this makeup tutorial using just one brand, which is Blue Heaven, and this is my first makeup tutorial, so just be a little gentle in leaving a beautiful and lovely comments down below. And yes, so I have a couple of things which I would like to share. There are a few products which I did not like it, and it's just my personal choice. And the first product which I did not like it, and I would never recommend anyone to buy, which is this kajal. I did not like it, and it will hurt your eyes, trust me guys. And because the tip as you see here, it's very hard just for applying your eyeliner, but not as your lower lash line, because as I said, it will hurt you. Anyways, this retails for 55 rupees, and so yeah, that's no. Which I did not like it, I bought it myself, and this is the eyeshadow. I know there are so many people who love or maybe who like Blue Heaven eyeshadow. This is my personal choice. I did not like it. I'll tell you why I did not like it. So first let me just show you. This is how the eyeshadow quad looks like. It has nice colors, okay guys, but it is not at all pigmented. When I say pigmented, it should, you just pick up the eyeshadow and it should glide on your skin. It doesn't work that way. You need to wet your brush, like you need to spray a little bit of water on your brush and then dab your brush on this and then use it. So for me, that's a long process which I don't like it. Maybe some other people do like it, but yeah, as I told you, it's my personal choice, and it is not at all pigmented, and it doesn't get transferred to the brush immediately if you don't wet your brush. So that's a sad point which I don't like it. Other than that, for the price, it's okay. See, if you can see, it's not at all pigmented, so I don't like it. So yeah, I would never buy this, and this shade was 606. Apart from that, rest all product is a big thumbs up. Let me just talk a little bit more about it. So the first product which I really like it, and I would highly recommend to anybody, is this foundation, which is like, oh my god, amazing foundation. It easily spreads on your face, and it doesn't give a full coverage but still gives you an instant glow on your face, which I totally like it. It retails for 60 rupees and you get 50 ml of product, and there is the shade written behind. It's shade Blush. I am not sure what all other shades they have, but I got myself shade Blush because I wanted to try this. I would recommend anyone to buy. It spreads really nicely and evenly. As you can see here, it's like you will not know whether you have foundation on or not. So highly recommend this foundation. Retails for just 60 rupees. You can even just buy to try it. Amazing product, and it smells like those foundation itself. It's like foundation itself. So yeah, I love this product a lot, and I already did a tutorial, so you have already seen me using it. So the second product which I totally love it is their blushes. I would again highly recommend anyone to buy their blushes. They have amazing variety and collections, and the shades are so pigmented and perfect for summers and whatnot. Alright, so this is the first shade which I did not use it in the video. Let me just show you, just because these are really good and you can build up the shade up, you can just build up the color also. Let me just swatch it somewhere here. So yeah, this is the beautiful gorgeous shade, this one. This is a perfect hot pink. And then the one which I used it in the video is a gorgeous, by far my favorite shade. This is shade number 503. It's a coralish pink color. It also has gold tint to it, which I love it, and it's perfect for summers because you don't need to apply a highlighter or a shimmer, and you can use this for parties and wherever you want to. So yeah, so this is really pigmented. Let me just swatch this one for you. Wow, this is like gorgeous shade, trust me guys. And yeah, this retails for 155 rupees, and yes. So, and then lastly I have got this lipstick, which is again one of my favorite, and they have sent me for review. I love this, and I would highly recommend anyone to buy this lipstick. This lipstick retails for 250 rupees because it is from the premium range, and this is a beautiful pink with coral tint in it, and I have right now on my lips. It's a beautiful gorgeous color. This is number 101 Rose Blossom. Totally love it. I have I have a couple of other lipsticks as well from the same brand. I will share the swatches maybe on Instagram, or maybe I'll do a separate video for that. Guys, this concludes my complete review on Blue Heaven Cosmetics. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial as well as a quick review. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any kind of suggestion. I will do that for you. And I shall leave all this product link in the description box. So don't forget to click that description box there. And please subscribe, like, share, and that would mean a lot to me. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.